Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ending prematurely. If you're trying to install Epic Games but keep encountering this error, follow these simple steps to resolve it. And now let's get started. To fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ending prematurely, start by deleting any leftover Epic Games files. Open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive, where Epic Games files are typically stored. Locate the Program Files folder and search for a folder named Epic Games. If you find it, right-click and select Delete. Next, go back and open the Program Files x86 folder, then search for an Epic Games folder there and delete it if it exists. To ensure all remaining files are removed, check your appdata folder by pressing Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, typing Sent, appdata sent, and hitting Enter. Look for any folders related to Epic Games and delete them. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove these files. Next, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Then, go to the Startup Apps tab and click Run New Task or Create New Task. In the Create New Task window, type the command msiexec.exe. Before clicking OK, make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Next, click Browse and locate your Epic Games setup file. Navigate where you there and change the file type from Programs to All Files so the installer is visible. Once you've located the Epic Games installer, select it and click Open, then hit OK. The installation wizard should now launch without any issues, proceeding smoothly without ending prematurely. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.